Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to Nomadic Wandering Star. Today, it's been a while since we posted a video, but today we're doing our roof. And let me show you a little something here. Apparently somebody tried to fix that. And when we bought the trailer, we knew about it. It's got a patch here that it's not leaking. Go around the AC unit. I'm going to get rid of that. Those have been fixed. Go around that. So we're resealing our roof, and I'm using this stuff called Seal Best white elastomatic roofing coating. And this is good for EPDM roofs. And it says on there for mobile homes and RVs. There's some construction going on around here, so you'll hear it occasionally. But we're going to go ahead and get started with painting around with brush all these good spots here. Yeah. I don't know what's going on there. But anyway, we'll see how it goes. The roof's not that bad today. It's the membrane. They did try to seal the edges. Yeah, not a bad job. But we'll get it pressure washed off. It's already been pressure washed once. Just need to sweep it. Get rid of a few of those little spots like that. So we'll bring you back in a few minutes and let you see how we're doing this in parts. What we'll do first is with a brush, we'll go around that. We'll go around the AC unit. Definitely put a super coat on there. Just around. I do most of the edges around there, around that. So yeah, sunny Illinois. Real pretty. Had a nice storm come through. And then there's some people just sit back and relax. Alright, we'll get back with you. Okay, so got the first coat on. This stuff is really thin, and it'll get into the cracks and stuff really, really well. I like it. I didn't hardly use any, so I'm just going to use up the bucket on this. Call it good. Looking real nice. Get around there. A little bit right there, missing spot, but it'll get taken care of. Alright, a little windy out here, but not too bad, but looking pretty good. This is the second coat, so it's not looking bad. And what I did, I tried to videotape this, and apparently I didn't do it right, but before you go rolling it, you want to take and go around all the edges with a brush. Tried to kill a spider. There he goes. Anyway, you want to go around all your stuff with a brush first, get it good and saturated, and then you can do your rolling. Two coats looks like it's going to do a pretty good job. So yeah, looking good. I'm happy with it. This is the stuff I said I used. This stuff here is extremely what do you say, thin. I mean, you could use a sprayer to spray it on, so you're going to need a couple coats. But hopefully it's going to do a real good job. As you can see down here, I don't know if I got it, where it says mobile homes and RVs. It about covers everything. And the thing I like about it being so thin is it gets into all the cracks, and that's a good thing. So thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Don't forget to subscribe, give us a like, leave us a message. We'll talk to you later. Adios.